Hello and welcome. Today I'm opening something from Bundlestar. It's a bundle of a charger and two batteries, LP-E12 for Canon M10 and Canon EOS M, one or two more models as well. Let's just get everything out. Charger, USB cable, there is no adapter for power, and two batteries. Let's start with the charger. Dual USB charger. That's it. Piece of paper, LED indicator, DC in, connect to laptop adapter, car charger or power bank. Needs 5 volt, 2 amperes max input. And it charges one or two batteries, one with 800 and two with 600 milliampere. The cable is a short one. That's maybe 20 centimeters, maybe. Alright, let's get one of these batteries out. Piece of paper and the battery. Completely charge the battery before first usage. For the first 3 charging cycles, discharge the battery to 5 to 7% and fully charge it again. Only charge the battery with a compatible charger. Do not charge the battery unattended or entrust it to children. Only use a battery with compatible devices. Please remove the battery from the device if you want to store it, or do not use it for longer periods of time. And the battery itself. Finally, 800 milliampere, 5.8 watt hours. Made in Germany. No, wait, made in China. And over here, I would assume we have the same thing. Indeed. So once I found an adequate adapter, just gonna plug it in. Micro USB goes in, upside down, strangely enough. Hey, let's see that again. Oh, come on. Green, red, wonderful. And we just plug them in. And it's stable, they don't fall out. There's nothing very mechanical holding them, it's just some pressure from the sides, some kind of clamps, I think. To compare, this is the original charger. It of course only charges one and is maybe, well, a bit bigger, maybe 1 1/4 the size. But at least it holds the battery charges really in place, so that's nice. The output that it provides is 4.4 volts at 0.54 ampere, so this is quite different from this one's specs. And this is the original battery, 7.2 volts, 875 milliampere, while these ones have 800 milliampere. So let's just see how long this takes. Alright, so approximately 33 minutes later, they are green. Take them out, plug them back in. How long does it take to realize it? Come on now, you just told me this one was full. Well, there we go. And there we go. Alright, gonna switch cameras now so we can test them. So I did measure how long an original Canon LP-E12 with 875 milliampere lasts. It's more than 1 hour and 45 minutes, but we're going to use the officially announced 1 hour and 45 minutes as a standard. And based on that, we should get 1 hour and 36 minutes or 96 minutes of recording time with this Patona 800 mAh battery, assuming that milliamperes can be calculated in a linear fashion. However, at the end of this test, it turns out that we get 1 hour and 32 minutes, which is not bad, assuming that it will last. This was the very first test. If it keeps this capacity, this duration, great. If it doesn't, let's see how much it degrades. What we get is 86% of the expected capacity, still great deal. Again, if this lasts, if after 1 month it doesn't carry its charge anymore, then of course this was a waste of time. But I will know once I know. I will keep you updated, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Also check the comments and the description of this video. After a few months after I uploaded it, I will make sure to update it with the status then.